equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson V15 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean workspace will help ensure the longevity of your new motor. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. You can do this by gently pulling the connector apart. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Once the motor is disconnected, remove any screws holding it in place. Typically, there are 2 screws securing the motor. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take these out. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. Take note of how it is positioned, as you will need to install the new motor in the same orientation. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing the connector back together until you hear a click. This ensures a secure connection. After the motor is installed, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Make sure it fits properly and is aligned with the clips. Reinsert the screws at the base of the vacuum cleaner to secure the cover. Remember to tighten them adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Your Dyson V15 should now be ready for use. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Before you start using your vacuum again, it's a good idea to test it out briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V15. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.